Welcome back, guys. Today we're continuing on with the septic system. I'm going to do a little bit of inspection of the inside of the tank today, as well as hopefully get to inspecting the actual septic pump itself. Yeah, so let's have at it. I'll be using my nifty ferret camera again. That way I don't have to stick my head down in there, since there's generally toxic fumes and things like that. So the inside of the tank actually looks pretty good. I didn't see any immediate like tree root penetrations or like any collapsing in concrete. So the next thing I want to do is I'm just going to take a stick and figure out what the depth is. Now that I have a pretty good idea. I'm guessing it's around maybe 4 or 5 feet, but we'll see in a second. Yeah, I'd say about 4 feet deep. Now I'm gonna disconnect the, or attempt to disconnect the pump tree. So this is the pump tree, and that's the outlet to the mound. So I'm gonna see if I can disconnect it, and that way I can begin inspecting it. It's on there pretty tight. I think I'm gonna have to run home and grab some pliers.